Jai Shri Ram. I will tell you a story from the Skanda Purana. Very interesting. There was a gang of dacoits who regularly used to loot, kill people, rob them. And the leader of the gang, one day they went to a village, but the villagers revolted and thrashed them, routed them. Everyone ran away. Some of them were killed. And this leader also got lost. He was in a forest all alone. Somehow managed to escape. So there, while in the forest, he heard a woman who was crying in pain. He went and noticed that she was just about to deliver a baby. So strangely, this man who lived all his life killing people, robbing them, suddenly felt a pang of remorse and some compassion. The milk of human kindness began to flow. So he went and helped that woman deliver the child, and then he carefully carried the woman all the way to the village. But the villagers, the moment they saw this fellow, they thrashed him and killed him. He died. Now, irony. He did a good thing, but he got a good deed never goes unpunished. Poor fellow. Landed in Yama's Darbar. So the CCTV, that is Chitragupta. Chitra means picture, Gupta means hidden. So CCTV, Chitragupta is inside all of us. God's CCTV. He knows what you are doing, what you are thinking, what you are acting on. So all the reports reached Yamadharmaraj. Yamadharmaraj asked the CCTV, so what should we do with this fellow? So Chitragupta said, sir, this fellow has committed innumerable crimes. He actually deserves to go to hell for 1,000 years. But he has done one small very good deed, for which it's such a good deed that one day he will be Indra, that is king of the heavens. And as per the rules, whatever is less, that is given first. So his punyam is less, so he is first sent to heaven. He is Indra for one day. Now, once the king of heaven, he asks Bruhaspati, sir, this is my problem, what should I do? Bruhaspati, the guru of all the gods, said, you should do dhanam. So he started donating everything, cows, land, everything as much as possible. Within 24 hours, he donated everything. A lot of stuff. Then, again he died. Again CCTV, Chitragupta, Yama, Darbar. So CCTV said, sir, this fellow has earned a lot of punyam. Now he can actually go to heaven for some 500 years. How? Now that 1,000-year hell has to wait. So again he is now in heaven. Now again in heaven he asked Bruhaspati, sir, please give me some advice. Last advice was wonderful. So Bruhaspati said, renounce everything, man. So this fellow got a brainwave. He donated heaven itself. Renunciation, ultimate. Then he got moksha. And he was released from all the papa. That's what Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. 1866. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyo moksha.